Hey, what's going on everyone, this is iReviews back with another video, and today I will show you guys 10 awesome iOS 14 automations that you must try on your iOS 14 device. These are simple automations that will make your life easier on a daily basis. So in this video I will show you guys the step-by-step process on how you can create these automations on your device. Starting off with the first one. Now on iOS 14 we have sound recognition, which is a new feature, but of course you might not want to have it on all the time. What you can do with automations is create a new automation right here and then go ahead and go to Wi-Fi. Now when you go to Wi-Fi you can choose the home network or maybe your work network. Just go ahead and choose them from here. And once you have chosen the networks, you can go ahead and tap next. Now on add action, here you can go ahead and add sound recognition. So you have sound recognition turned on only when you're connected to these Wi-Fi. So for example, your work or maybe your home. So you don't want to have sound recognition on all the time. So you go ahead and just search here for sound recognition. And right here we have sound recognition, tap on it and basically go ahead and enable right here, click next, and now you're good to go. So when you're connected to these two networks, your sound recognition will be turned on automatically. The next one has to do with AirPods. So when you connect your AirPods to your iPhone, you will have the volume set at a certain percentage. You tap the plus button here, go to create personal automation, choose Bluetooth, and then choose the device right here and choose your AirPods, click done. And once you have done that, click next and go to action and search for set volume. And right here on set volume, you can go ahead and set the volume at any percentage that you want. And then of course, the volume of your AirPods will be set automatically at that percentage. Click next, click done, and you're good to go. So set the volume of the AirPods at a certain percentage you want once they're connected to your iPhone. With iOS 14, now we have the sleep mode. So you go to automations, tap the plus button, create personal automation and go to sleep. And right here, you can choose to do an action when sleep time begins. So bedtime begins right there, click next. And what I suggest you do here is choose do not disturb. So you go ahead, search for do not disturb. So right here we have set do not disturb. You can click on right there and you can set it at a certain time to turn it off automatically, or you can turn it off manually. So you go ahead, tap next, remove this, ask before running, so it runs automatically without having to ask you. Click done, and now you have that created. Once sleep time begins, it will automatically turn on do not disturb. With iOS 14, we have some new power automations which are very useful. So if you go to create a personal automation and scroll all the way down, you can go ahead and choose here low power mode. So for example, you can set different stuff when low power mode is on or off. Same with battery level and charger. So go to battery level and choose here the percentage that you want, maybe like 40-30%. Click next and then go to add action and choose low power mode right here. And then what you can do here is just choose low power mode on. So once the battery drops at 40%, it will turn low power mode on automatically. Just go ahead and disable this so it doesn't ask you. And now you have that set. Once your device is at 40%, it will automatically turn on the low power mode. Now you can do another one to set the low power mode off automatically. So go again to create personal automation, go to battery level, and you can choose right here, let's say like 50, 70%, any percentage you want, click next, and then go to add action, choose low power mode here. And what you can do here is just go ahead and turn this off right there, click next, remove this, click done, and now you're good to go. Once your device is charged at like 70% or any other percentage you want, it will automatically turn off low power mode, so you don't have to wait for the 80% that's the default of your iPhone. Another power automation that you can do is go ahead and choose to turn on low power mode when your device is charging. So go to charger right here, connect it to charger, next, and just choose low power mode here. And go ahead and set low power mode on. Remove this, click done, and you're good to go. Now, once you plug in your device to charge, it will automatically turn on low power mode. That means that your device, of course, will charge faster, as the device will consume less battery with low power mode. Also, that will help a ton. And of course, once you disconnect your device, you can go ahead and turn it off. When you plug in your iPhone to charge and you want to know when it's charged at a certain percentage, you can do that with automations as well. So go ahead and go to battery level and set here any level you want. I set here at 100%, so once the device is at 100%, it will vibrate. So just go ahead, search for vibrate device, and just like that, click next, remove this. Click done, and now when your device is charging, you don't even need to look at it. It will just vibrate when it's done charging or when it has reached a certain percentage that you have set on the automation. As easy as that, you can have your device vibrate and let you know that it has been charged. If you have an Apple Watch, then you can go ahead and create an automation which will mute your Apple Watch at a certain time. So go ahead and create personal automation, time of the day, and choose the time of the day here. Maybe you want to do it, of course, at night so it doesn't disturb you during the night. So set it, let's say here at 10 p.m. So let's go to next, add action, and just search for watch. Here we have the Apple Watch and set silent mode on. Go ahead, click next. Remove this, click done, and now your watch will be automatically muted at 10 p.m. every night. As easy as that. You don't have to be disturbed by your watch at night. You just go ahead and set it to be muted at 10 p.m. Now, of course, if you use your Apple Watch while working out, you can go ahead and have your iPhone automatically play music. Tap the plus button on automations, go right there, go to Apple Watch workout, and of course, you want to do something when you start any workout or a workout that you choose right here. So go to next and just go ahead and simply play music here, and go ahead and choose here play music. Just like that, you can have your device playing music from the library or from the radio. So go to library, you have here the playlist, the songs. So let's just go ahead and add any song you want. You can go ahead and add more here. Any like song you want, just go ahead and search again for play music and add any song, any playlist that you have on your music app, and just have that automatically be played once you're starting a workout on your Apple Watch. And last but not least is setting your device on do not disturb mode whenever you're connected to a car Bluetooth. So go ahead and tap the plus button, create personal automation, go to Bluetooth right here and choose the Bluetooth of your car, of course, that you have previously been connected to. So here is mine, tap done, tap next, and choose here do not disturb. So here we have set do not disturb. Turn it on until turned off, or anytime that you want. You can set it right there manually. Click done, and now whenever your device is connected to the car Bluetooth, do not disturb will be turned on automatically. So that is it for this video, guys. These are 10 automations that are simple but yet are very useful, and you can easily create them on your iOS 14 device. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully these automations will help you and make your life easier on the daily use of your iPhone. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this, and I will see you on the next one.